Hello everyone. So in last video we saw like how to download and configure environment variable path for Java. Okay, and we also downloaded Eclipse, that is like Neon. Okay, Neon 3.0. Okay, now in this video we'll do setup for Maven. Okay, so and for automation, when we will be automating, we will be using TestNG framework. Okay, so let me first download TestNG, and let me do setup for TestNG, and then we'll do setup for Maven. Okay, so to doing setup for TestNG, what you have to do, you have to open the Eclipse and go to help, and there is something called marketplace. Okay, just here type TestNG. Mm, See, TestNG for Eclipse, it came here. See, it is already installed in my system, in my Eclipse. That's what it is telling installed. Okay, for you it will come like install, like this it will come. Okay, so you can install that. So for timing, let me stop it. Oh god. Okay, so when you will install that it will get configured automatically in this Eclipse. Okay, sometime what happens, uh, when you'll search for test engine, you will not find the result. So at that time what you have to do, oh, hmm. So at that time what you have to do, suppose you went there in marketplace and you didn't find test engine, so install new software you can go for. Okay, click on install new software and just paste this URL. Okay, this is like DL bin tray, a tray test ng Eclipse release this version, or whatever version you want to download. Okay, just click on enter. You will see in some time this test ng will appear over here. Okay, okay, it's taking too much time. Okay, yeah, it came. Just you select this one and click on next. See, at the bottom you can see next, finish. That's it. After finish, you just restart your Eclipse. Okay, it will get configured successfully. Now we are done with TestNG setup, right? Now we'll go and do setup for Maven. So go to browser and type here download Maven. Okay, so just go to this website and you can download here, not source file, just library, some Apache Maven source binary. Yeah, download this. Okay, when you'll click this, see it started getting download. Okay, and let it get downloaded, even though it is there, but the size is very small, so wanted to show you. Just here, just right click and extract here. Okay, Apache Maven. See, this got configured, and see, now when you'll extract that, after extracting you will see something like this. Okay, so how we did environment path variable setup in for Java, in similar way we have to do this. Okay, so after downloading, just open that folder and copy this path. Okay, just copy this path, right click on this PC, go to properties, expand it, go to advanced variable, environment variable, and click on new and do like Maven home. Okay, Maven Maven underscore home. Okay, and paste this one. So as I already have that Maven, and click on OK, it will get added, but I have already done this setup. Okay, let me show you where I have done Maven home. See, this Maven home you are able to see, right? Maven home or M2 home, somebody used to do this also. Just Maven home, do Maven home. Okay, when you will do this setup, now you have to set up in path variables, okay, including this bin location. Okay, so go back this bin location, now copy this and go here, where we were doing setup, here. Okay, here search for path. Okay, see this path came, right? Just double click on this and go at the end and you can paste that. Click on new and you can paste that. This is what you have to do. Or else whatever the variable we have created, right, maven home, using that also you can do this setup. Okay, so this I have already done. See, M2 home, I have done it through M2 home. You can just, instead of M2, you just write maven home, what we have created in last step, and slash bin, and click OK. Click OK. Click here for you, apply will be enabled. Just click on apply and then click on OK. So now the path for maven is set up. Now you go to command prompt, open command prompt, type mvn. Okay, mvn version, version. So now you'll see this maven is already got set up for my system. Okay, for you this version will come, or whatever version you will set up, that will come. If you will not see this response, then there is some mistake. Okay, you need to do, means once again, you need to once again do the setup. Okay, mostly if you will not see, no, the mainly issue used to be here. Okay, might be you, if you'll forget this one, then you will face, you will not able to find this. So this is what it is. So now we are done with maven setup also. Okay, let me go here. We did download and set up maven. Just a second. Download, setup maven and test ng. Okay, now we are ready. We are ready with the setup. We can now create our first maven project. Okay, so now we go to Eclipse and see here, using file new, you can file and new project, new, see maven project is there, right? See, you can click on this, it will create maven project. If you'll not find that, so what you have to do, you have to click on uh, project. Okay, select this project and here type maven. Okay, see, when you'll type this maven, you will get something like this. Okay, you will able to see these things in this. Click on maven project and click on next. Okay, just click on next. Huh. See, here we have to give group ID and artifact ID. So group ID and artifact, group ID API auto API dot automation will give something, and artifact ID like little help by care. Okay, okay, so whatever package will get created for our application, the name will be api.automation.littlehelpbycare. Okay, and just click on finish button. So now you can see like one project will get created. Okay, so why I am taking this maven example, because it is very easy. You don't need to go and download jars specifically for if any reason, means any failures are coming, or any like while writing a script, if your project is not getting compiled, then you need to struggle a lot to find a specific jar file to set up, to just remove that error. So in maven, what happens, it automatically downloads the jar file, and if that jar file is dependent on some other jar file, so it will download those also. So those struggle you don't need to do. That's what this maven is, very simple and very easy. That's what I have downloaded this. Okay, so now we did our project setup. Okay, so see here, there are two folders, main java and test java. What we will be using this test java to write our automation test. So this is by default, they have created one test. Okay, this is like app test. So this is something we will not be using that, and we will be using our own. Okay, so let me delete this. Okay, Yeah. So we'll start automating our first API, that is Get API, in next video. Okay, that's it from this video. Thanks a lot, guys.